What are the different types of PC cases? 3 types of PC cases that's superb and you should know about it. Work Rift. Full towers are used to house large amounts of equipment. They range between 55-75 centimeters tall and 22-32 centimeters wide. They can hold up to 9 5.25 inches bays for additional hard drives or optical drives. Their prices are also higher than other types of cases. But if you're looking for a powerful gaming machine, then this kind of case will be perfect for you. Mid-towers are the most common cases, but they're also the smallest. You can assemble a wide-range design, a low-power office computer, a home multimedia center, and a gaming PC. Mini towers are compact computers that usually come with a fan inside them. They are designed to fit into small spaces. They are often made out of plastic or metal.